Well, hey everybody, and welcome back to another episode with the Canning Nana. I know a lot of videos in just a short amount of time, so I have a lot of information to get out there. Before I forget, tomorrow, between 1:30 and 2 p.m., we are going to be having a live giveaway from the Disneyland Resort, where I will be tomorrow in the Magic Terrace. So I will be giving away 4 jars gift certificates worth $50 each, so $100 in gift certificates. So to be entered in that, you have to have commented on last month's collaboration video, the shelf stable collaboration video. So go back to that video from last month, not the one that I posted today, but last month, and we are going to be picking 2 winners for that. And we're going to be doing it live. You do not have to be present to win. It is highly encouraged because I am going to be giving away some other things, some Thrive Life and some Disneyland items, since that's where I'll be. So let me go ahead and tell you guys what's on special for September. I am so excited because I have been a consultant now for a year and we have had no mangoes. So I have been waiting and waiting and waiting for mangoes. Well, you guys, mangoes are here. We've got mangoes. So in the specials pack, we have instant milk, which is right here, and these are all pantry sizes, so the sizes that you see here. We have instant milk, Fuji apples, let's see, banana slices, the mangoes, the chopped onions, which is right here, and mushrooms, which is here, and then 2 pantry cans of zucchini. And let me tell you, the zucchini is amazing. So good, you guys. And the banana slices, I mean, I can go on and on about all the food. You guys know how I feel about the food. I would not be promoting it if it was not good, right? You guys know that. And there are so many of you guys that use the food now, and a lot of you are my consultants as well as my customers. So if you don't already have a consultant, I would love to be your consultant. My link for Thrive Life is in the description box below. I'll be happy to answer any of your questions. And if you'd like to earn a little bit of extra money plus free food, you can become a consultant yourself and join my team. We're up to 19 consultants right now, and they're all doing really good. They're all enjoying their food, and we're all having a good time. So come on and join us. We'd love to have you join. And why not? If you're going to use the food, why not earn some extra money and some free food, you guys? So the mangoes, let's see, the mangoes, the pantry can is $19.79. They're 20% off, so everything in the special. If you don't buy the special pack, which is $125.09, down from almost $170, so it's 25% off. Really, really good price. If you don't want the special pack, you can buy everything individually, as long as it's in stock. I have a feeling the mangoes are going to go out pretty quick because a lot of people have been waiting for those. I know I'm going to stock up on that. The family size is $47.95. The family size cans are number 10 cans, and they're about equal to 3 pantry can. So what I like to do is, there's certain things that I buy number 10 cans, and then most other things I will buy the pantry can. So even things that we use all the time, like you guys know I'm a big chopped onions and sliced onions person. I love these. I love the spinach, and I love the milk. I love all the products. I have not had a product that I don't like. The spinach I use all the time, so I buy a number 10 can of that. The chopped onions I use all the time as well, but I don't use it fast enough to where, I'll show you, I think this one's open, yes, to where it doesn't get a little bit sticky in here. So this is probably a bad example because today it's very hot and humid here. I live at the beach, and you can see there's slices, but it's gotten kind of a little bit hard. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this out, put it in a bowl, mix it all up, put it back in the can, put it in the refrigerator, and it will crisp itself back up. So this, I love the onions, you guys. The chopped and the sliced. I tend to use the the chopped onions in almost everything. I don't chop onions anymore, very, very rarely. So yeah, it's saved me a lot of time. All of the vegetables have. Everything is pre-chopped. The meat is pre-cooked. If you went back and saw my video from earlier today, we did, in the Shelf Stable collaboration, we did the vegetable pasta primavera for lunch, or kind of lunch dinner. And it came out just like the picture. Tastes amazing. This is one of the meals. There's only 2 out right now, but they're going to be coming out with a total of 7. And this one, I know a lot of you guys are gluten-free. This one, unfortunately, is not. This does have milk and wheat in it, but if you can eat it, the shelf life is 20 years on this pack. So they used to have the older packs like this, and they still do, with like the snacky packs and things like that. Those are good for about 2 years. If you look at the expiration date on those are good for about 2 years. So with these new meals, they're now good for 20 years. So if you go camping, if you have a food storage, if you go hiking, boating, go to the beach, go, you know, put this in your car with some water. I mean, seriously, you have a meal here that is an emergency meal and ready for you. All you need is water and a way to heat it up, or you can actually not heat it up and eat it cold. It will still refresh itself, it just won't be hot. But this is really good to carry for emergencies. And it's really good to have. So I like it. One of the reasons I love all of this, the food, is because of it's in the cans like this. So I'm in California, earthquake country, you guys. So none of this is going to break. This is certainly not going to break. And you guys know I do a lot of canning, home canning. And the way we store them, we're hoping they don't break. But in the event that they do, I have at least probably 8 months worth of Thrive Life food stored up so far. And that's with using it too. That's in addition to what I have for my everyday Thrive Life pantry. Just being a consultant just for almost exactly a year. I joined, well, a little bit, 13 months. I joined August 3rd, I believe, August 3rd or 5th last year. And I have been able, with my my income from being a consultant or the free Thrive credit I've earned, I have been able to store up enough food for me and my husband for at least 8 months. And that includes meats, vegetables, fruits, milk, butter, sour cream, cheese, everything. So that has really helped my family. It's really been a blessing, and it fits right in with what I do anyway, food preservation. I still dehydrate, I still can. It's good to have your food stored in different varieties, different ways. Some of my food is stored in our trailer, ready to go in case we either go camping or for an emergency. And I'll have to show you guys that when it cools down a little bit. I'll have to go out there and show you how I do that. But yeah, it comes in handy for a lot of different situations. So, you know, an emergency food storage is not always for when the grid goes out, or when we have a major catastrophe like an earthquake, something like that. It could be as simple as you losing your job, or someone getting sick, not able to work for a while. If you have a new baby, super easy meals. You can take meals to people with new children, or those that are sick. I know we do meal trains at our church, and this is super easy to put meals together. All they have to do is add water or broth, and you have a meal. I mean, it's super easy. So a lot of people say it's more expensive. I don't think it's more expensive, honestly. With the price of food going up, and Thrive has not raised their prices in the year that I've been with them, this food is good for 20 years, 25 years. It's already chopped, already diced, already cooked, and all you have to do is add water. But the best thing about it is that when you have it and you open it, It's not like having an onion and only needing half of it and putting the rest in your fridge, never to see it again or never to use it, and it goes to waste. There is zero waste with this food, zero waste. If you open a can and you're not going to use it right away, either the pantry size or the number 10 can, you can always put it in a mason jar. You could put an oxygen absorber in there, vacuum seal it, and it will stay further than a year. So I've had things open already for the year that I have been a consultant, things that I don't use all the time that I opened just to try a year ago, and they are still perfect. There's nothing wrong with them. So you can do that too. And like I said, if you want to just extend the life of it a little bit, just put it in a mason jar, store it in a mason jar. And then if you want to refresh something, if something has gotten a little bit of humidity in it, and this goes for all of the foods, especially the fruits. I pack a lot of snack bags when we go to Disneyland, when we go riding around, you know, when for the grandkids, we go on road trips. The fruits and the vegetables are really good to snack on, but after being in the car for a little while and out in the heat and out in the moisture, or take to the beach out in the humidity, it gets soft, right? So if you have some left over, you take it home, pop it in your refrigerator for, you know, a half an hour, and it will crisp right back up. That is the beauty with this food. Nothing goes to waste. So if you guys have any questions, you can email me at thecanningnana@gmail.com. I hope to have you as a customer. I am offering some new incentives for people that are wanting to be consultants for the month of September, and people who are new customers on the delivery system, where don't let that scare you, because the delivery system is monthly, but you do not have to order it monthly. Very, very easy to skip a month. All you do is you take everything out of your cart once the order goes through, and you get the email that the order has been placed. Super easy. I can tell you more about that in an email or in a text, however you like. But try the food. It's really delicious food. It's real food. It's fresh food. It's better than organic. It's good sourced food, good for you, and you'll get all your fruits and vegetables, you guys. You can put this in smoothies. You can make powders out of it. It is amazing. So word of the day, make sure that you comment in the comment section below September Thrive specials, and you will be entered for the giveaway. We just reached 13,000 subscribers. I am thrilled to death, so we're going to be having another giveaway very soon. I know we have to do the second half of the 10,000 subscriber giveaway. We are getting there, you guys. I will see you soon. Don't forget to put the word of the day. Check out my link for Thrive Life in the description box below, and join me as a consultant, and I'd be happy to be your consultant if you don't already have one. Love to have you as my customer. I will see you soon. Happy September, guys.